TradeMonster.com, 4.5 stars, best online broker, 2 years running according to Barron's. TradeMonster.com.
Hi, this is Michael Palmer filling in for Jamie Tyrell with Group 1. And this is the Volatility Sonar Report. It's a pretty slow day today. Really not seeing a lot of markets moving. FXE, like I was mentioning, is pretty quiet. S&P 500 is pretty quiet. We were down big overnight, but the FXE rallied, the Euro rallied, and now we're pretty much unshed and quiet. What I wanted to talk about is one thing is the amount of capital that kind of gets allocated to a trade, and that's how you should be thinking about trading sometimes. Yesterday we saw them sell the June 1819 strangle at 277.5. That's somebody collecting $2.77.5, and they have a considerable amount of risk to the upside and downside if the VIX makes any type of big moves. When people do things like buy 1x2s, where they're buying 125 call in any month and selling 2 of the 32 calls, and they do that for a dime or 15 cents, there's a lot less capital on the line, at least initially. They're only putting up 15 cents and they're buying one, and they don't start losing money in this case until the stock hits, or until the VIX hits 40. So what's noticeable of that is when we start seeing really small denominational trades that are not really allocating a lot of capital, not making a big bet, it usually means the market's pretty quiet and people are kind of taking small little shots and nobody's got a real strong opinion. When somebody like in June came in and said, I am selling these strangles at 277.5, they're putting a lot of capital, a lot of money into a trade in which they're saying, no, we have an actual opinion about what's going on here. It's not just quiet and slow. We think this vol is too high. And that's kind of an interesting way to think about the prices that you see is how much capital is really being allocated, and in a lot of sense, how strong of an opinion that really represents. Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading, and have a good time trading today.